Content creators are always on the lookout for new ways to captivate their audience. One method that's becoming increasingly popular is using talking avatars, especially for faceless YouTube channels. This not only keeps your identity private, but also adds a dynamic and engaging element to your videos. Animated avatar channels are booming on YouTube. For instance, Isaac's channel skyrocketed from 0 to 100,000 subscribers with just 4 videos. Another channel, 10x Income, grew from 0 to 332,000 subscribers with only 45 videos. Digitar Income Project also saw impressive growth, reaching 100,000 subscribers with just 38 videos. These channels are making over $10,000 each month. Talking avatars offer a unique blend of personalization and creativity without the need to appear on camera. This is great for creators who prefer to stay anonymous or those who are camera shy. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a captivating avatar that can speak on your behalf, making your content both personal and professional. So, if you're ready to learn how to create a talking avatar, grow your channel quickly, and see how others are making it big, stick around. Let's dive in and transform your YouTube journey today. Several tools are available for creating talking avatars, such as Lexica, Canva AI, CapCut, and many more. In this video, I'll use Leonardo.ai because it's perfect for this task. Head over to Leonardo.ai and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Click on Image Generation and write a prompt describing how you want your avatar to look. If you find it difficult to write a perfect prompt, check the description below for my prompt. Just copy, paste, and tweak it for better results. Change the preset from Leonardo Phoenix to Anime, set the image dimension to 16:9, turn on the negative prompt, and write side and back view. Click Generate and wait for your avatar. If you don't like the result, click Generate again. Once you have your preferred avatar, download it and let's customize it. Head over to Photopea, click on Open from Computer, go to your downloads, and double-click on your avatar to import it. Hold the Alt key and scroll forward with the mouse wheel to zoom in a bit. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool and use it to clean up the mouth. Click on File and Export as PNG, then click Save. Next, go to Adobe Firefly and sign up or log in if you already have an account. Click on the InPaint section. If you can't find it, check the description below for the InPaint link, and it will take you directly there. Upload your edited avatar from Photopea. Here you can remove or add anything you want. To remove something, click on the Remove button, drag the pointer over the item, and click Remove. To insert something, click on the Insert button, drag the pointer over the area, type what you want, and click Generate. After your customizations, download the image. We're almost done. Go to YouTube and search for green screen mouth animation. Choose one you like and copy the link. Go to savefrom.net, paste the link, and download the mouth animation video. Now let's make the avatar talk. If you have a video editor like Filmora, Movavi, OpenShot, or another you prefer, use it, but I recommend CapCut, so I'll use that. Open CapCut or your chosen editor. Click New Project, import your customized avatar and the green screen mouth animation. Drag the avatar to the timeline and overlay the talking animation. Click on Remove BG, select Chroma Key, and remove the green screen. Increase the intensity to 100% and the shadow to 50%. Adjust the mouth position to fit the avatar perfectly, like I'm doing. Take your time for the best outcome. Select both the mouth and avatar together by pressing Ctrl+A and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Now let's make the video 20 seconds long. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste until you have a 20-second video. Add your voiceover. Before exporting, clear the Adobe Firefly watermark. Click on Text, select Add Default Text, type subscribe or your channel name, and place it over the watermark. You can also use a watermark remover. Once everything is perfect, click Export to finalize your AI talking avatar. Let's see what we've created.
A killer logo is an absolute must. But what if I told you that you don't need to break the bank or have mad design skills to create one?
And that's it. You've created a talking avatar for your faceless YouTube channel using Leonardo.ai, Adobe Firefly, Photopea, and CapCut. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.